What does the medical term BP stand for? Blood pressure. What does BMI stand for? Body mass index. What does CPR stand for in emergency medicine? Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. What is hypertension? High blood pressure. What does ICU stand for in hospitals? Intensive care unit. What does MRI stand for? Magnetic resonance imaging. What does CT and CT scan mean? Computed tomography. What is an ECG used to monitor heart rhythm? What does ENT doctor specialize in? Ear, nose, and throat. What does RX commonly stand for? Prescription. What does CBC refer to in a blood test? Complete blood count. What does the term anemia refer to? Low red blood cells, or hemoglobin. What does diabetes primarily affect? Blood sugar regulation. What does the A1C test measure? Average blood sugar over 3 months. What does OTC stand for in medications? Over the counter. What does NSAID stand for? Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. What is tachycardia? Fast heart rate. What is bradycardia? Slow heart rate. What is dyspnea? Difficulty breathing. What does asymptomatic mean? Has no symptoms. What does acute refer to in medicine? Sudden onset, short duration. What does chronic mean? Long-term and persistent. What does inflammation typically end with in medical terms? It's What does PPE stand for in medical safety? Personal protective equipment. What does ICD stand for in diagnoses? International Classification of Diseases. What does DNR mean in a medical setting? Do not resuscitate. What does TBI stand for? Traumatic brain injury. What does IV mean in hospitals? Intravenous, into the vein. What does ER stand for? Emergency room. What does SOAP stand for in medical documentation? Subjective, objective, assessment, plan. How many medical terms did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more brain-boosting quizzes every week. See you next time.